So, yeah, let's continue. Scorpio. Kamusta kayo dyan, mga Scorpio natin, no? So, let's see what's your current situation, no? Kung anong makuha natin for you. Scorpio, let's see. Kuha tayo dito ng 3 cards for you, Scorpio. Current situation for Scorpio. Please, tingnan natin. Current situation for Scorpio. Tingnan natin. Current situation for Scorpio. So, you have this mother, no? Mother figure ba kayo? Or pregnant ba kayo ngayon, Scorpio? Let's see. So, you have this metamorphosis in reverse, no? And then, ano to? Flow in reverse, no? So, I think, pumasok na rin to sa isip ko kagad nung hindi ko pa na-open tong third card, no? Nakikita ko rito may delays, no? For some of you, Scorpio, no? Maybe literally for some of you, pregnant pa kayo, no? Mga Scorpio natin. Or ang partner nyo ba, pregnant, no? Merong mother figure dito, no? And with the metamorphosis and flow in reverse, nakikita ko ito, may delays, no? May delay sa pagbabago, may delay sa progress, no? Kung ano man tong mga ninanais yung pagbabago, no? Na hindi pa nangyayari. Parang nakikita ko may delay or may blockages, no? With the flow in reverse, ibig sabihin may blockage, no? Kasi flow dapat yan umaagos, di ba? In reverse siya, so merong blockages, no? Mga Scorpio natin sa hinahangad yung pagbabago sa buhay ninyo, no? That's why, no? Hindi siya nangyayari or delays, sabi nating mabagal, no? Because may hindrance, may blockages talaga, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, kung ano man yung blockages na yan, na nagpapabagal ng takbo or nagpapabagal sa pagbabago na ninanais ninyo, no? Mga Scorpio natin. So, let's see, kuha pa tayo ng additional cards for you, Scorpio. Tingnan natin. Kuha tayo dito ng 3 cards for you, Scorpio. No, let's see. 3 cards for Scorpio. No? Current situation for Scorpio. So, you have this inspiration, no? Inspiration. Relationship, connecting. And then, that's why, no? Merong blockages talaga, no? For some of you, no? Kung sino man tong person na, you want to connect with, no? Hindi mangyari-yari, Scorpio, because may third person involved, no? Pwedeng babae, pwedeng lalaki, no? So, merong between the two of you, no? Merong third person involved, no? Siguro, for some of you, kung wala pa kayong connection ng person na ito, no? Ang nakikita ko, may blockages because one of you may karelasyon pa, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito. But then, both of you are inspired by each other, no? So, mutual yung feelings ninyo, but then, hindi matuloy-tuloy yung connection ninyo because may person involved, may third party. Hindi naman third party, no? Ang nakikita ko, may third person involved na nagiging dahilan, no? Nagiging blockages, no? Sa gusto nyong pagbabago sa sarili. I mean, itong connection na to, no? Kasi syempre kung magkakaroon kayo ng connection, parang bagong simula yun, no? But then, hindi mangyari-yari because there is a third person involved, no? Kung sa side mo or side niya, no? Something like that, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito na blockages sa inyo, mga Scorpio natin, no? Sa ninanais mong person. So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito. Kaya, hindi ka makapagbigay ng new beginning to that person. dahil merong third person involved. May blockage, no? Something like that, no? So, let's see, no? What's the message advice sa'yo ni Universe, no? Scorpio. So, kuha tayo dito ng 2 cards for you, Scorpio. Let's see. 2 cards for Scorpio. For the message advice, tingnan natin. For Scorpio. Patience, no? Patience, and then mental health, no? So, nakikita ko rito, be patient lang daw, Scorpio. Maybe for some of you, no, nagiging mainitin na yung ulo ninyo, no? Isipin mo yung mental health mo, baka nade-depress ka na for some of you because hindi mangyari-yari yung gusto mong pagbabago together with the person you are desiring, no? Something like that, no? So, be patient, no? Kung kayo, no? Kung ano man itong mga blockages, for sure, mawawala rin yan or mag-e-end rin yan kung talagang kayo ng person mo, no? Kung sino man, no? Right? No? So, isipin mo yung mental health mo, baka nade-depress ka na dahil yung gusto mo mangyari, hindi nangyayari. No? So, be patient lang, no? Mga Scorpio natin, no? So, patience is a virtue nga, di ba? Sabi nga. So, yeah, that's it. That's it for you, mga Scorpio. So, I hope na naka-resonate kayo sa reading niyo today. God bless you all and thank you for watching, Scorpio.